Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. We have another What I Eat in a Day video for you. I'm up bright and early. I have a lot of stuff to do for work today. So I'm going to start off my day with the apple cinnamon oatmeal. This is a good one, guys. This is this is maple brown sugar. Darn it, I pulled the wrong envelope out of my box. But regardless, this one's good too. And I am going to add a tablespoon of Walden Farms blueberry syrup to it because I like this one with syrup. So I'm going to go do that. We're going to head out for the day and I'll see you at fueling number 2. All right, so the next fueling, because I haven't left my house yet, is the sour cream and chive mashed potatoes. I put a half a cup of water and I mix it and put it in the microwave. And as you can see, it's nice and thick. And if I bring the little bits of potatoes up a little bit closer to the camera, you'll be able to see all that nice chive in there. And it has the sour cream flavor. I absolutely love this one. If you haven't had it, I recommend it. Okay, so we are at fueling number 3. And I am having the Raisin Oat Cinnamon Crisp Bar. I haven't had this one in a long time. It is so good. If you're craving like that oatmeal raisin kind of cookie-esque taste, this one's for you. So check this one out. I'm going to eat this, head over to see my next patient, and then after that, I have to do tomorrow's Jess's 50th birthday. I know, I'm a cougar. But I need to get him a card. His gift I've already gotten, and I don't want to say it out loud because he's probably watching. But anyway, so I'm going to go do those errands. I have to run to Marshall's to return something and do a scour of that store because it's one that I don't go to quite often. So I figured I'd bring you along and show you some stuff, and let's get going. So cinnamon raisin bar going down. See you.
Something and you said you're done pretending that fate is patient. Go run away, get it out of your system. Come back when you're older. Go find a place where you can't be the victim. And come back when you're older. Go catch.
Hey guys, so as you just saw, I did try on a bunch of tops. I can't resist. Their prices here at Marshall's, here I am, are just absolute craziness. Every shirt that you saw just now, I brought home. Everything was under $20 each, not collectively. But the first top, that blue one, I figured that's a great weekend shirt with jeans. Obviously, I'm wearing jeans that I probably wouldn't wear with that top because the jeans I have on are a little bit distressed. And I think a plain pair of like dark navy jeans would be great with that. The other tops, again, probably wouldn't wear it with the jeans I have on now, but regardless, they're really cute and I wanted to show you. So, I still have to get Jess's birthday card. I have to run to the grocery store. It's after work hours now, so I have the feeling that the highway that I have to take might be a little backed up from people, coming home from work. The sun is still out. It's been a nice long day. Yeah, and I'm again behind on my eating. So I'm going to have another bar, which I always have in here. Look at that. There's my collection. So I think I'm going to do this one, the peanut butter creamy one. I love that one. So, oops, I dropped it. So I'm going to have this one now. This is the peanut butter and chocolate chip bar. This is that soft one. Look at that. Actually, it's frozen. Can I make a video without being like having a blonde moment? I'm always having a blonde moment. That's just life. So, gonna have this, probably head over to Trader Joe's, then get Jess's birthday card, if I even ever get that far. And I'll see you. The next fueling will be the lean and green. So, see you in a little while. Got some groceries at Trader Joe's, guys. I'll be making a grocery haul for you tomorrow. So, until then, let's head over to the car wash. Lo and behold, here's lean and green, everybody. Woo, I'm hungry. So we have 7 ounces of 99% lean ground turkey. I have butter lettuce. I have some Parmesan cheese sprinkled in there, a couple of olives as half my fat, half my snack. And for the main source of fat, believe it or not, it's this salad dressing. Sugar-free balsamic by G. Hughes, as you can see by the label. 1 tablespoon is only 30 calories and a little bit of fat, so I'm going to use this as half of my healthy fat. And then the other half will be the olives. But here's what the label looks like. I wanted to show you guys. Lean and green, going down. I'll see you at the last fueling. Hey guys, it's the end of the night and I am at the last fueling. And I decided to have another bowl of oatmeal with my blueberry syrup. That's 1 tablespoon that I added to that. And it's nice and hot. It's freezing here right now. My throat feels a little dry and scratchy. So I'm going to go make myself a cup of hot tea. Enjoy my oatmeal, and this winds down another day of eating and just a couple of little errands. So tomorrow, Jess is turning 50, so everybody pop on, maybe leave a comment below, wish him a happy birthday. This weekend, we have a nice big party celebration scheduled, so I will definitely be videoing there. And yeah, that's about it, guys. So I will see you tomorrow for Jess's birthday. And I hope you all have a great night. I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.